Okay, mali ka dito. Go here, come on! Let's go, toss coins! For us to know who will go first. Where's Candy? I'm Candy, hindi. Hindi nagpe-prepare yun. Alam mo naman yung Beanie. Beanie Candy siya ngayon. Okay. What do you want? Head or tail? Okay, head. So kapag nag-head, you'll go first. Okay? Pag nag-tail, Candy. Okay, you go first. Ready na? Are you guys ready?
Friends, sabihan mo nag-live din tayo sa Facebook.
Okay guys, as all you we are doing live for our team members who are working from home as well, and for team members that is not here. So kindly visit Catherine Facebook page. Anong Facebook page?
Sa ano natin, yung sa Ed Warriors na page.
Ed Warriors na page pala. Lahat na naka-join sa ating Ed Warriors na page, doon po tayo naka-live. Okay? Just share. Just share our...
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Just share the link, guys.
Doon na, pakilala mo muna yung judge.
Okay, so good morning, everyone! Hello, everyone! Ala, good morning, Pioneer! Wala. Oh my God! That's not what I want to hear. Good morning, Pioneer! Parang yung KYC is not responding. Good morning, KYC! Ano ba yan? So So mahina. Again, good morning, Pioneer! Okay, that's more like it. So welcome to our Battle of the Bands, let me repeat. Okay, let me repeat. Battle of the Blaster Dance Edition. So, where the dance moves are hot, the competition is fierce, and hopefully nobody pulls a muscle. So today, we will witness incredible talent, amazing choreography, and maybe even some moves that have never been discovered by science. So, whether you're here to compete, or to cheer for your friends, or just waiting for the food or the free food later, we're glad that you're here. So mayroon tayong pag-unan later. Okay, let's give a huge round of applause to everyone joining us today. First off, let me introduce you to our great judges. Yeah, we have two great judges here. So of course, first our client, we have Sachin, and also our... Alright. And of course, our operation director, Boss Ed. Okay, before anything else, I would like to discuss the criteria for judging. So we have choreography and creativity, 25%. So for the choreography and creativity, the originality and creativity, and overall composition of the routine, judges will evaluate how well the team combine dance moves, formation and transition, and unique elements to create an engaging and memorable performance. Then energy and enthusiasm, 25%. The team ability to perform with passion, confidence, and excitement throughout the routine. Judges will assess facial expression, stage presence, audience engagement, and the performance ability to maintain energy from start to finish. Synchronization and teamwork, 20%. The degree of coordination, timing, and unity among team members. Judges will look for precision in movements, clean transition, information changes, and how effective the team works together as a cohesive group. And then next is execution and technique, 20%. So this is the quality and accuracy of dance execution. This includes body control, rhythm, balance, posture, musicality, timing, and the proper execution of dance steps and movements. Then lastly, our team integration, 10%. How effective the team incorporates the event, team, and their performance. This may be reflected throughout choreography, costume, music selection,
Kaya nga papalit-palit
prompts, visual elements, or a clear message that aligns with the event's purpose and objectives. Are you guys ready? But before that, next slide, we have our prizes. Of course, dinagdagan natin yan. So for our first place, 5,000. Second place, 3,000. Best in music, we have 500 pesos. Best in choreography, 500 pesos. Best in costume, 500 pesos. And for our ultimate showdown winner, 500 pesos. Masaya na kayo, may tagtag na yun. Okay? Okay! Okay, let the battle of the cluster begin! Okay, once again, let me do a roll call. Where are cluster faith? Team Green, of course. Where are cluster candy? Ay, hala. Hinakot na kasi si Cluster Faith yung mga team members niya dito. Okay. Okay, let the battle of the cluster begin with Cluster Faith.
Hindi ah!
Lami na one, sir.
Nag-ano lang kasi. Hindi, dito ako tumatayo talaga.
Are you guys ready? Mag-cheer dance na lang yung cheer dance.
Hindi nga ako. Huwag kang gumalaw.
Pawisan ako doon ah.
Ganyan ka lang, be.
Tayo nasa harap. Sabi. Hindi oh. Pwede. Huwag gaganahan. Dapat si Ate Katsin eh. Patay! Meron pa.
Yung live, ha?
Ang gagawin niya, OM dyan. Ang gagawin niya, OM dyan. Si Peso.
Ayan, naka-view yan. Ayan, naka-view. Sa cellphone.
Eh! OM!
Sino si Quezon?
Live pala yan. Set mo nga yung page.
Sabihan mo ko kapag ano na, ha?
Pag.
Sakit na kamay mo.
Dito eh. Si RJ. Jay, picture ako na si ano? Si Lu. Eh, hindi mo siya. Hindi mo siya.
Parang kinakabahan na ang Cluster Candy.
Basic na, basic.
Okay, for our next performer.
Sige lang.
Of course. We have Cluster Candy. Ang ina, Cluster Candy. me know once you're ready. Mag-seconds lang kayo sa akin na kung ready na kayo.
Spider-Man, no?
Oh, Cyclones!
Kakatakot. Kaya nga
Once again, let's give them a round of applause. Laughter Candy!
Togetherness, and for the deal of kindness. Together, these three things led our ancestors to greatness.
Simula ng eksena.
let's hear some comments from our judges. Boss Ed, Sachin, can you give some comment? Just a comment.
Hi everyone. I like the energy. Repeat again. OM Faith and OM Candy. I want to hear how you say it.
Later.
Thanks very much. That's you've shown great team spirit, and I love the energy. Of course, in a busy schedule, I can imagine how much of time you've spent choreographing and practicing and costuming. To be honest, I'm very lazy to do all these kind of things. If I was one of you, but love the efforts, right? I see that the trainers and QA and the refs, everyone is here. The peers, of course. I didn't know Braille dancers here.
He'll teach you. He'll teach you.
Great spirit. I mean, I love the way OMs also joined and participated, right? But great job. I mean, I didn't imagine this to be so well, especially after the Drydens and QBRs. Thank you very much, and keep doing a great job.
What's that?
Wow. I've been at Pioneer for 3 years. This has been the most engaging event, I think. So for me, I love the emotion and execution. I think Mavi was the star of that. For Team Candy, there's a lot of going on. There's technicality in your choreography. I like it. I like it when your music, parang may sinabi doon, palo, and you did it. Because that's part of the technicality of the dance show. So both of you guys did exceptionally well. Really, really proud of you.
Thank you so much, our judges. So, are we good? Okay. That's not the end yet. I asked your team for an ultimate showdown. Of course, you're not going to judge this. This is for 500 pesos. So, one representative from KYC and one representative from CC. So this is what you give me. So this is a showdown for Jude Garland and Andy Mupal.
Nanginginig.
Okay, ready? Let the battle of the master begin.
Ako yung napagod sa kanila. Napagod sa kanila.
Para sa pagkakas mo, ang tagal niya.
That's for 500 pesos. Okay. Okay, so while we tally our scores, let's do our awarding first for our Q2 top performers. So leaders, come here in front.
Ben, pasayuin mo na sila tatlo.
Okay, para masusunod na guys.
Dance daw!
Okay, so welcome to our YouTube Top Performers Awarding to honor the dedication and celebrations of your excellence. So, wait lang, we're just waiting for our words. Sorry, hindi na pagpili yung talaga. Okay, let's start our awarding for our CC folks. For our YouTube top performer, top 1, for there we have Samantha Ray Legaspi. our Q2 top 3, we have Luis Arroyo. Okay, for our Q2 top performer for Care KE, we have Jefferson Marcos. Let's proceed with our KYC folks.
Maliwanag
Oh,
ba?
sorry. For our G3, Julia Kamanatan.
Alam mo, ang mas mabilis ito.
Our
Yan.
APAC, we have
Kasi nire-render pa eh, no? Mas mabilis nga.
our top performer for Ralph Joshua Movie. Okay, let's proceed with our KYC.
Kaso hindi sila nahuli. Hindi sila po-compress. Yan.
Okay, for our KYC advance,
Iwalay kasi sila kanina eh.
His wife will receive the award. Okay, for our KYC plus, Keith Bendon. Our KYC fundamentals, Emiliana Filipino. For our KYC KE, Raciel Hernandez. Okay, for our KYC winner, Maraya Ilagan. Okay, for our OPS, Lara Vanessa Osaka. For our CA, Jason Scott.
quick pasok.
Okay, for our customer relations, Ronel Del Ayala. Okay, let's also recognize our top one shift supervisor, Martin Evans Valier. Another for shift supervisor, Don Rafael Charo. We would like to recognize as well our lady service Red Sea Resigan. Okay, for our shift supervisor, team leader, Kevin Reyes. For our top team leader, customers experience, Dennis Camille Sabino. Okay, next, another customer experience team leader, Aisel Ballesteros. And lastly, for our learning service leader, Carlos Silva. To all our awardees, congratulations. We will do our dinner in Vivo after this awarding. So, are you guys ready to announce the winner? Thank you so much, leaders. You can
Ano ba yan, Jack?
I'm sorry for that, everyone.
Walang pair.
Okay, so I will announce the winner for our Battle of the Cluster Dance Edition. Are you guys ready to know? Okay. Tanungin natin nandito pa ang Cluster Faith. How about Cluster Candy? Okay, before that, I will announce first our major minor awards first. Okay, so for our Ultimate Showdown winner, sino is it? Auntie Ogon! Okay, without further ado, come go here in front, Jude Garland! costume. Okay, for our best in music. Tina, best in music. Is it Team Faith or is it Team Candy? Okay. No other than Cluster. Of course, Cluster Candy. Okay, come on here in front.
Picture.
Cluster Candy. It's more special. I'll give 1,000 each for the prizes. So our prizes will be 6,000 for our grand winner, and for our second place is 4,000. Para naman makakawin-gawin kayo sa mga ginastos nyo sa costume and props. Kung may ginastos talaga. Okay? Wala na more. No more. Sir, sa chief, you want to add? Charot na kung daw yun. Charot na kung daw yun. Sabi ni Owen. Going once, Cluster Faith. Going once, going twice. Okay. Of course. So let's announce our
So how much? How much? How much for the first prize?
6,000 and then 4,000 for the second. Wala na po mga Sir Sachin is consuming. Let's wait for
Alright,
the
so
decision.
let's make it 7,000
Okay.
for the second prize. For the winner, let's do 10,000.
Masaya naman kayong lahat. Okay. Huwag na natin patagalin to. Our winner, garnering 89%. We have... Okay.
Second
Second
place.
place muna. Okay. Sige. Let's announce our second place para makapagpa-picture pa. Okay. Our second place got a score of 79%. It is Cluster. Is it Cluster? Para sumasagutin ko muna. Sabi niya Cluster Faith daw. Wala. Cluster Candy? Nag-sabihin mo Cluster Candy. Ewan. Okay. Huwag na natin patagalin mo. Cluster Faith! Okay, our judges. Let's take a picture, please. Sir,
Pwede naman kahit hindi kasama yung mga paa. Basta ano yung mapapasok mga mukha nila.
salamin eh.
Okay, thank you so much, Master Faye. Okay, let's call on our winner, Master Candy.
Sisi! Babasa!
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much to our judges. Thank you so much, Peony. Thank you so much. So, again, to all our top performers on YouTube, top performers. Wait. There's more. We will award as well our top 10 team members who got the highest OT for KYC. This is our OT KYC marathon. So top 10 team members that got the highest OT from June 22 to 28 from KYC. So here they are. You'll receive a token of appreciation. Jinko. Where's Jinko? Rangel Miller. Where's Rangel?
Nag-OT pa raw.
Joanna Datu. James Nino Calustre. James, come here in front. Would also like to call on Jemaline Guillermo, Asnipa Omar, leaders, come here in front as well to take a picture. Leaders. Jessa Escobar, Allen Farina, Nina Ganan, Mary Rose Layo. Where's Allen? Okay, sirs and she, we will also like to give this to you. Thank you so much for visiting us. Guys, group picture, walang naalas. Group picture, please. Let's go, let's do group picture.
Kasha?
Hindi sila kasha.
Atras ka konti.
Ang dami. Ang dami sobra. Ang dami sobra.